उही दिनुभएको छ हजुरहरुलाई अगाडि एकैजनालाई पालो पालो यहाँ लगाइदिनु
Miss.
Kal đại mấy gì à chị?
Đại mình á. Có đứa mẹ yêu ăn yêu.
Car.
Anh gặp yêu thật. गर्दछु। कृपया जोरदार ताली बजाइदिनु हुन म हार्दिक अनुरोध गर्दछु।
After the ceremony, I would like to look forward for the seat placement and program. For this, I would like to request my friends Ima Rai, Lalita Rai, and Jasmita Rai to assist in honoring our guests with the badges.
Ladies and gentlemen, with great pleasure and respect, I now invite the key attraction of our program, our generous donors, Mr. Michael Stuart Espinal.
त्यहाँ उठ्ने बित्तिकै ताली बजाऊ है।
Shahid Bhumi RF, Mr. Surya Bahadur Bhandari. To take the seat of the special guest of this program, please welcome him with a huge round of applause. Thank you. Teacher of Panchakrishna Secondary School, Mr. Om Bahadur Rai, to be seated as a guest of the program. Please welcome him with a huge round of applause.
यसै गरी शहीद भूमि गाउँपालिका वडा 4 का वडा सदस्यहरू
our warm gratitude to our donors, we would like to invite
बरु मेरो निकाल्छु बजाऊ
Balendra Rai, SMC
ताली बजाऊ।
chairperson. कृपया जोरदार ताली बजाइदिनु हुन म हार्दिक अनुरोध गर्दछु।
Very, very welcome our chief guest, distinguished guest, special guest, as well as parents and my dear students, teacher staffs, and all gathering here. Today, I am going to read out this letter of appreciation, which is provided to our generous donors, Michael Cohen Foundation, and Mr. Michael and his family, especially from behalf of the school team. Here is written: Sri Panchakrishna Secondary School, Shoaib Rural Municipality, Ward number 4, Piplidana, Dhankuta, Street 2036, 28 October 2025. Letter of appreciation. On behalf of the entire team of Panchakrishna Secondary School, we are dedicating our deepest gratitude to Michael Cohen Foundation UK for your generous financial support to build a well-furnished concrete 6-roomed new school building with other facilities like ECD classroom, playground management, library, science lab, as well as IT lab development in our school. You and your foundation have enabled us to build up new concrete school building. Your enthusiasm and understanding towards students and schools of rural areas of Nepal who are facing financial difficulties have positively impacted. We assure you that we are making the most use of this aid and striving towards academic excellence. We truly appreciate your trust and confidence in us. We want to reiterate our sincere thanks for your financial support. We are genuinely grateful to you for helping us. Once again, thank you for your kindness and generosity. Om Bahadur Rai, Head Teacher, Panchakrishna Secondary School, and Balendra Rai, Chairperson, School Management Committee. Thank you.
Denmark Pacha, Ayakubu. Denmark Diri Tadacha. Hawat Jahas, Pacha, Biskundalacha. Asa, Mo, Yeha Aunupauga, Diri Kusitu. Tapaiku Niamu Maya, Ras Rakat Kulaki, Diri Danana. Miu Pichama, Ramro Babisha Kulaki, Mahatma Puana, Itatiaru, Harikin School Majana. Mahatma Puana. Ma, Sapai Itatiaru, Ramro Babisha Kulaki, Kamina Kadechu.
Thank you.
Diri Danana.
Thank you. You want the
And a word to the kind donors. Thank you so much for coming all the way to Nepal. It's truly amazing to see you experience Nepal and your happiness seeing these facilities and meeting the children. It means a lot to us and the parents and the children. Thank you so much, and I wish you some wonderful days here.
अब यो चाहिँ इङ्ग्लिसै जान्छ नि छैन यिनीहरूलाई नेपाली थाहा छैन यति त सबैलाई थाहा हुन्छ
धन्यवाद छ तपाईहरुलाई स्वागतको लागि मेरो नाम समन्ता हो मेरो श्रीमान हुनुहुन्छ उसका नाम माइकल हो मेरो छोरी साशा मेरो दुई जानै छोराहरू लियम एटोडी
त्यो केमा लेखेको छ रोमनमा लेखे होला
Hello everyone. My name is Alexandra education.
मेरो नाम एलेक्जेन्डर हो तपाईहरुले मलाई ससा भन्न सक्नुहुन्छ
ओके
I am 19 years old and I have just finished going to school in India.
भर्खर 19
म 19 वर्षको भए
जेनजी
म अब स्कुल सम्पन्न गर्ने क्रममा छु
I have had many good years going to school and made lots of close friends and had lots of fun.
मसँग स्कुल पढ्को स्कुलमा धेरै साथीहरू बनाएको धेरै सम्झनाहरू छन्
I most enjoy English, psychology and philosophy to study.
मैले अध्ययन क्रममा अंग्रेजी अनि साइकोलोजी अनि फिलोसफी पढ्नमा मजा लाग्छ मलाई रमाइलो लाग्छ
त्यो हो नि त नेपालीको
I wish you all have all the fun that I have had and more in your wonderful school year. Thank you.
तपाईहरु पनि मैले जस्तै यस्तै गरेर रमाइलो साथै हुनुहोला भन्ने कामना गर्न चाहन्छु धन्यवाद
Namaste. I am Liam.
उहाँको नाम लिएम हो
I'm 16 at the moment,
म 16 वर्षको भए
which means I have 2 years left of school.
भन्दाखेरि अब विद्यालय शिक्षा सम्पन्न गर्न अझै 2 वर्ष बाँकी छ
My favorite subject at the moment is music,
अब मन पर्ने कुरा भनेको म्युजिक
although I also do a lot of maths.
उहाँलाई चाहिँ म्याथ पढ्न पनि मजा लाग्छ
What I enjoy doing outside of school the most is music.
र विद्यालयभन्दा बाहिर हुँदाखेरि मलाई सङ्गीत चाहिँ एकदम रमाइलो लाग्छ
I go to a special music school on Saturdays in London.
म चाहिँ हरेक शनिबार लन्डनमा रहेको सङ्गीत विद्यालय जानुहुन्छ
I hope you all have the opportunities that I've been allowed to have in your new school.
मलाई पनि तपाईहरुले पनि मैले जे चाहिँ सुविधाहरू पाएँ तपाईँहरूलाई पनि त्यो सुविधा मिलोस् भन्ने कामना गर्न चाहन्छु धन्यवाद